Dogelon Mars explicitly is as of now esteemed at $0.00005855025. Dogelon Mars cost examination all things considered is negative today in an unpretentious way. Elon explicitly rose 1.42% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. Elon's fundamentally intraday volume explicitly remains at $1,078,656, which basically is genuinely critical. 13 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week and basically attempt to answer these often truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, especially is Elon a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of large manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the Elon specialized examination, in a real sense let us all things considered discuss the essentially current economic situations in a kind of enormous manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,414,664,667,125 in an unobtrusive manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $48,913,730,687 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, which is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 2.19 and right now exchanging at 65 cents in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely critical. These occasions by and large show that the market for the most part is going in a for the most part descending course for essentially present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge. As of now, a truly broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars execution. The especially everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars by and large shows that the Elon cost in a real sense has a truly descending development, with a 2.51% diminishing in beyond 24 hours in a for the most part enormous manner. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin truly is remaining at $0.000007725, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in a huge manner. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume really is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Who fundamentally are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in a very huge manner. Very much like basically is the situation for its genuinely more unmistakable and most certainly more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this in every practical sense, specific K9 coin truly are obscure, or so they by and large thought. That in every practical sense is generally an especially normal event for image coins, and financial backers sort of are very much encouraged genuinely because of truly an expected level of effort, with mostly secret coins to in a real sense, try not to succumb to noxious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon for the most part has been available for pretty a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which by and large is very huge. What by and large makes Dogelon Mars pretty extraordinary in an extremely huge manner. Dogelon Mars generally utilizes a diverting kind of comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which most certainly shows that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his generally goes through the stars. Actually, a few truly short comics fundamentally are distributed on the coin's site that truly follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he meets companions and goes on experiences in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't especially have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics, which really shows that Elon for the most part rose 1.42% in 7 days. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will basically need to battle for essentially endurance against the Annihilators, which is very huge. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin by and large is recorded on all very significant trades, the cost of Elon will generally reach Mars, or, in kind of different words, it will exchange at a genuinely a whole lot higher valuation a huge way. Nonetheless, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could really be implied, will commonly be an issue the local area will generally need to battle against, exhibiting how what basically makes Dogelon Mars remarkable, or so they truly thought. Practically speaking, Elon for the most part is an image coin without a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Notwithstanding, taking into account it in every practical sense, has a powerful mix of pretty a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title: Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could for the most part like quickly if the extremely by and large cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. Showing how that explicitly is to some degree a sort of normal event for image coins and financial backers, sort of or very much encourage pretty because of for the most part, a reasonable level of effort, with generally secret coins to in a real sense, try not to succumb to noxious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon most certainly has been available for extremely a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which essentially is very huge. How fundamentally numerous Dogelon Mars, Elon, coins basically are there available for use in a quite huge manner. The all-out supply of Elon is 1 quadrillion in a very large manner. Half of all Elon tokens have been generally shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the pioneer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to in every practical sense, consume the tokens and in a real sense, eliminate them from dissemination successfully in an essentially huge manner. This essentially is like Shiba Inu's methodology, in spite of the fact that it at first upset the Shiba Inu truly token cost, in light of the fact that Vitalik explicitly chose to in every practical sense, give the token